Everyone thinks the best-selling spark plugs for a 5.3 Silverado are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, NGK G-Power Platinum. First up, we have the NGK 3186 G-Power Platinum spark plugs. Priced at about $34.05, these plugs caught my eye right away due to their strong reputation and impressive rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 5,000 reviews. If you want reliable performance and durability, this is worth a serious look. This means they can handle extreme temperatures without causing misfires, which is something you definitely want for your Silverado. They also resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, ensuring a smooth ignition process every time. Plus, the patented triple gasket sealing process eliminates any combustion gas leakage, which can be a real issue with lower quality plugs. With over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than other options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for longevity and efficiency, spending a little more upfront can save you a lot in the long run. This is perfect for you if you value engine performance and longevity. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra cheap without considering quality. Alright, if the price of the NGK G-Power Platinum bothered you, the next one on my list could be even better for your budget. Product number 2, Ozcutec Iridium Spark Plugs and Wires. Next, let's talk about the Ozcutec 8 PCS Spark Plug Wire Set with 41110 Iridium Spark Plugs, priced at $37.95. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 159 reviews, this set really stood out to me because it offers both spark plugs and wires, which is great for a comprehensive upgrade. The Iridium Spark Plugs feature a pre-gap of 0.04 inches, which ensures reliable ignition and consistent performance. Moreover, these spark plugs fit a wide range of GM engines, so if you own a Silverado or another compatible vehicle, you're covered. The wires are designed to deliver the spark efficiently, which can lead to improved fuel economy and smoother engine operation. However, a few customers mentioned issues with the installation process. Look, it might take a bit more time, especially if you're not the handiest person. But if you can follow instructions, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a complete ignition system upgrade. Skip this one if you prefer purchasing spark plugs separately. Now, if the installation concern is something you're wary about, the next product might be the easiest to handle. Product number 3, AC Delco GM Original Equipment Iridium Spark Plug. Coming in at $12.99, the AC Delco GM Original Equipment 41162 Iridium Spark Plug is a fantastic option. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 1,300 reviews, this plug is known for being an exact replacement for your vehicle's original components. It's designed to help provide stable engine idle performance and reliable cold starts, which is crucial in colder climates. AC Delco has tested this product rigorously, so you can trust it will meet the specifications of your Silverado. Plus, it helps to block any radio frequencies that might interfere with your vehicle's electronics, which is often overlooked. Now, some users pointed out that they experienced a shorter lifespan compared to other brands. I'll be real with you, while that can happen if you're doing regular maintenance, it shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you want an OEM solution that fits right in. Skip this if you want something specialized for performance rather than standard use. Alright, if the lifespan of AC Delco plugs concerned you, the next product might be a better fit for your performance needs. Product number 4, NGK Iridium iX Spark Plug. Next up is the NGK LKAR7BIX11S Iridium iX Spark Plug, which you can grab for about $33.63. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 2,800 reviews, this product is truly made for performance enthusiasts. The design features a laser-welded fine iridium tip that ensures durability and a consistently stable spark. The tapered ground electrode minimizes electrical quenching, which means you get better throttle response. With a longer insulator nose that prevents fouling and a triple gasket seal to eliminate gas leakage, this plug is built to last and perform well under pressure. It's been purchased over 900 times in the last month, proving its popularity. However, some reviews indicated that they found it tricky to install due to the tight fit. Here's the thing, if you're comfortable working on your vehicle, it's manageable, but it might not be the best choice for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're a performance enthusiast looking for something high quality. Skip this if you're inexperienced with installations. Now, if installation difficulty is a concern, then the next spark plug I'm about to show you could be the perfect solution. Product number 5, 8 Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs. Finally, we have the 8 Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs priced at $27.99. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 423 reviews, I was intrigued by its compatibility with a wide range of GM vehicles, including the Silverado. These spark plugs are designed with a platinum core that ensures excellent conductivity and durability. What I really liked is their longevity. It's recommended to replace them every 80,000 to 100,000 miles, which is impressive. This means they can save you time and hassle in the long run. With 50+ units sold recently, it's clear that they are gaining traction among users. However, some customers mentioned that they felt the build quality was not as high as expected. But here's the thing, given the price point and the performance they deliver, I think they still offer solid value. This is perfect for you if you want a great balance between cost and performance. Skip this if you're looking for top-of-the-line premium plugs. Now that we've gone through these options, let's wrap things up. So to recap, we covered the NGK G-Power Platinum, Ozakutec Iridium Spark Plugs and Wires, AC Delco GM Iridium Spark Plug, NGK Iridium iX, and 8 Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs. Each has its unique strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize performance, OEM reliability, or cost-effectiveness, there's a spark plug here for you. Make sure to choose the one that aligns with your driving style and maintenance routine.